Hi, welcome to It Is Josie. Josie here. I'm glad to have you back again, and if you're new to my channel, you're more than welcome. Feel at home and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell button because you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel I upload everything sewing related content on fabric hauls, sewing makes, pattern reviews, and a few sew alongs here and there. And today's video is a pattern and fabric hauls video. I don't have so many fabrics to show. There are about 4, but probably I thought I would share them with you, and you could share with me ideas that you have in mind that I could use the patterns for. And probably the first thing I bought, I don't subscribe to any more magazines because I decided I had to be more realistic to myself. I'm like, the more subscriptions you throw around to magazines, most times you end up collecting patterns you will never need to use or you will never use. Then you look for who can rescue you and get rid of them. And also I deliberately did that so that I could, instead, I told myself I can't have everything. So instead of subscribing to magazines, I decided to move my subscription to Blueprint. That's where you get so many creative channels. I've reviewed my class that I used to sew up underwears and this, and I recorded a video using a class and tutorial. So now I drafted my own pattern from Blueprint, and that's something I was excited about, and I plan on perfecting the skills in pattern making with the help of definitely the Blueprint videos and also a few pattern making books that I've collected over the years. So I thought it would be more important if I put the money into subscription like Blueprint, which gives me a range of crafts. I love baking, I love icing cakes, and I also want to learn to knit. I know people always say that knitting is easier than crochet. I can crochet so well, but I can't knit. I've been psyching myself that I should learn to knit and knit up something. Let me see how this year goes. But anyway, no further ado, I thought I'd show you what I got. Definitely, apart from my usual border style magazine, I purchase that every month. At least I buy that. It's not a subscription, but at least should I go to the store and I'm not inspired whatsoever about the patterns they have, I'm free to leave it in the store on the shelves and not take it. Maybe before I go on, I would like to apologize as there's a bit of a storm outside, a wind in the background, so it might be a bit distracting, but don't be alarmed. Okay, let me show you the patterns that I managed to get. Oh, I got these magazines, and why I got these particular magazines, there's a website in the UK that sells old issues at a reduced price. I think I either bought one for 99p and the other for £1.99p, and they come with the patterns all intact and sealed. I'm that cheap, so I managed to get those ones. And I got this pattern where Julie from at So Natural, Julie Uzo, we all know her if you watch the Great British Sewing Day. So I bought it, I saw her talking about it, and I was interested in the pattern that came with this magazine. And it's this pattern which features a shirt, then a shirt dress, then a somewhat long dress. And this year I wanted to have a go. The camera might not focus so well, but I'll try to attach the picture of this particular pattern to make it more clear to everybody. And this year I want to venture into shirts making, and probably this pattern will come in handy. And also I think it also came with this pattern, which I'm not keen on, and probably I won't bother looking for an image for it. It's just a jersey shirt with a V-line top, and this was the 2-in-1 jersey tops. Oh, I didn't tell you about this. This is McCall's 7470, the shirt pattern. I will try to attach links to the bottom. And then also, oh, and I think the same issue came with this pleated skirt pattern. And this is the McCall's 7844. I still don't care much about it. I don't think I'll be making it, so I don't feel like I lost out. That will be a pattern I'll give to someone who is more interested in it. And this was another magazine that came with 2 patterns. I think actually this particular one came with this shirt that I'm not interested in, and another McCall's pattern. And I think I bought this particular magazine for this one. It this pattern is McCall's 7475. It features a skirt 5 views, culottes, skirts, a mini one and long midi and long skirt, then culottes, a shorter one and a longer one. That's why I bought this particular pattern, and I know now why I bought this. I got the second magazine mostly for the pattern, and honestly it was a bargain. If I'm buying all these for £1.99, I'm still winning. Okay, let me show you the fabrics I've bought. The first fabric I've gotten is this gorgeous crepe fabric, and probably by the time this video goes live, I will have sold up this fabric. I've just bought it today. I went into town and I bought this red crepe fabric from my local fabric shop. It's quite drapey, and I'm going to use it for pattern testing I'm doing for Love Notions fabric, and it will be making that top, and probably the video of this top might go live before this fabric hauls video goes live. And it's a gorgeous print. It features some mustards, some whites, and it's a gorgeous fabric. I was so excited when I saw it. I know right now my lighting has reduced, so it comes of a different color. Then I will also show you this crepe fabric, which was gifted to me by Minova, and this is a John Caldo crepe fabric, which is a textured crepe, quite drapey if you can see, and it comes on a blue colorway with some red and cream flowers. And with this I'm planning to sew up the Magnolia dress by D&O Patterns. This is a pattern I've made before. I've made the dress before and I've reviewed it. I can add a link to the cards and also in the description box if you want to see my review of the dress. But this time I'm hoping to eliminate the sleeves and make it sleeveless, so it will be more or less a summer dress. And I was also gifted this gorgeous fabric also by Minova. It's called a fur-backed Ponte di Roma Ponte fabric, and it has that texture, and the gorgeous bit about it is the fur in the background is so smooth and soft and cozy. And from my previous video, which was my February makes video, I made matching outfits with my daughter, which she loves and I also enjoy it. And I asked if people were interested, and a few people who replied told me that they were interested in more mommy and daughter matching outfits. So I'm planning to sew up, probably I might hack a jumper pattern and lengthen it up for both of us. I might hack the Love Notion Sloan sweater and also hack another jumper pattern out for furs, make it longer, probably add a band. Or I might use the South Bank sweater. I don't have a pattern yet, and probably this year I want to justify every pattern I make and all the expenditures, all the spendings I make. So I'll see what to do. But this gorgeous fabric is quite thick and actually warm, so it will be a nice one to make. It's a brown with so many browns, dark browns, and the back is gray, and it's so cozy and soft, and I have enough to make items for both of us. And probably the last piece of fabric I picked up is this. It feels like a single jersey fabric. It's quite lightweight, and I've got loads and loads of it. It's orange. I've got loads of it. I have about 4 meters of this particular fabric. And the story to it, I went into town looking for that crepe fabric that I ended up getting for my final make of the Love Notions pattern testing. And I went into the Leeds market. Now there are shops within the market, then the outside stores in the market. There's a guy who sells curtains and everything. I was told that sometimes he sells neat fabrics cheaply. So I got 4 meters for just £3. So I'm not losing out. It might not be the best to wear as a dress, but I might make tops out of it and probably make pigeons for myself because it's quite lightweight. Yes, I've got a lot of this. I'll tell you what I'll have made out of it, but I thought I'd show you these few items that I've purchased, and I'll be glad to show you what I make out of them. Yeah, I think that's it with my fabric haul and pattern haul. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you think there's a particular pattern I could use these fabrics for, I'm open to all suggestions and recommendations. And if you've enjoyed this video and you are interested in knowing and seeing what I end up making with these few pieces, and you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out for the next time I load a video. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.